Hi everyone, it's Holly here, and I'm back again this week with a different kind of video. I'm doing a Pilates video for you. This is new to my channel. I recently became a certified Pilates instructor. Pilates has always been a passion of mine. Welcome everyone to my first Pilates class here on YouTube. I'm going to instruct a class doing ab and glute burner. Those are my favorite categories. We're gonna get you toit and cinched in for summer or any time of year. We're gonna start at the end of our mat. I'm gonna start with just getting that blood flowing. A slow release of the arms and starting to work those leg muscles and get that blood moving. Even though I've already done a reformer class today, gonna be shaky. Good, and then we're gonna move into a few squats. Legs, feet, shoulder distance apart, sit into that squat. These get you warmed up pretty quick. And then now we're gonna move onto the mat and move into a plank position. I love these mats that are a little more cushy. And then we're gonna move into downward dog. Pedal out those feet. Back into plank. Hold for a few counts. Back into downward dog. We're just kind of warming up all our joints. Starting to kind of build that strength in the core, shoulders. Perfect. Now we're gonna move on to our backs. We're gonna start with our ab burning part of, well, this whole video is ab burning. Start up in a curl up position. Pilates curl up is a little bit different than yoga or traditional exercise. We're really just curling up at the upper body, crunching, really feeling those abs turn on. We're actually not flexing at the midsection. And it burns just as much, maybe even more. And don't forget to breathe. It helps so much, I find. Good. A couple more. You guys are doing great. Arms extending. So this adds a little bit extra onto the exercise. Couple more. Good. And then we're gonna go up in the tabletop. Legs up 90 degrees, arms still curled, those abs are still burning, and we're gonna tap our toes. It's starting to really burn. Right here. Don't lose that form. You guys are doing great. Those abs are gonna be burning tonight. And the thank you tomorrow. Great job. Okay. And then we're gonna extend. I like to exhale on the extension. Inhale on the release in. One, two more. You're doing great. And then we're gonna move into bicycles. We're burning. We all know bicycles. Oh, the burn is real. We're gonna kind of move into scissors. This is a quick class, very condensed, quick burn. I find them to be so efficient though in getting that toning in, and you can bring it in any time of the day. So grab that leg. I like to do a couple exhales when I bring it in, and then breathe in the middle. Great job. Down, we're giving part of the ab area just a little bit of a breather. We're gonna do some toe taps. My breath catch our breath a little bit. Great job. Okay, and then we're going to extend out. Those lower abs are going to feel it on this one. But they'll be thanking us later. I did this exercise yesterday, and when I went to bed, I could just feel my abs burning in the best way. Great job. And then scissors again. This one is a great stretch too, and a great lengthener. And a couple more. One. Finisher, bicycle. Try not to go too fast and keep it at a good pace. Whew, we're burning. I am burning. Arms up above your head, windshield wiper for the legs. I think I said windshield whopper today with my friend. That's a good word too. Give those abs a little release. We're gonna move into bridges. So feet under, knees directly. We're gonna lift, arms planted, shoulders down, hips up. And we're coming down. Inhale up, exhale down. That's how I like to do it. Your breath can vary depending on what feels good. Make sure to really engage that glute up at the top. Keep your belly button to spine. Keep that core engaged the whole time. And really think of those glute muscles. Those are the ones we want to work. I do a lot of breathing. Okay, couple more. This is going to be a real glute burner. Halfway down and up. Our pace increases a little bit, maybe partially because it's burning, but also for part of the exercise. 2 more, and then we're going to do 8 pulses to the top. Okay, back to normal position. We're going to extend one leg out and come down. This is a little modification to a bridge. This one is very challenging. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You guys are doing good. We're feeling the burn. Keep those glutes up. We're almost there. Think about that toned booty for summer. It prevents back injuries, having a strong glute as well. 9, 10, and down. There's so many benefits. Let's be real. Next, we're gonna go up into bridge. Arms are gonna come up for this one. We're gonna finish off with the 3 exercises. The arms up make it a little more challenging. As you kind of have to stabilize yourself a little more, and a couple more of those muscles turn on in the glutes. And then halfway up, halfway. Great job. I'm sure you guys are feeling those abs, feeling those glutes like I am. This is a quick power class, and then 8 up at the top, pulses. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna move on to our left side. Shoulders, hips stacked. Left leg is bent, right extended. Hips are gonna be slightly forward. You can stay up like this or rest down on your side. I'm gonna stay up like this. If you're up like this, make sure to turn on that core so this doesn't slump down. 5, 6, 7, 8. You should feel it right here on your glute med. 10, We're gonna do 10 forward in a circle and 10 back. Really burning now, really burning. Great, and now we're gonna move into side plank. Right leg's extended, left is still bent. Up, keep that core, pelvis stacked, arm up at 90, and back down. I like to obviously keep my breath consistent with this one so that I can keep from getting too out of breath. I also find it helps kind of distract myself if I'm burning from these exercises, and just focus on the breath. And when you come up, really engage, really feel, bring that core in on the side here. Couple more. Good. And then we're gonna reach underneath like we forgot something underneath this little area. And this is gonna get those side oblique muscles, those corset muscles that just cinch in your abs so well. Whew. You're gonna see and feel these. 8, great job. We're gonna move to the other side and do the same thing. Core is on, right leg bent, left extended, hips slightly forward, and then we're gonna go out. Keep that pulled up here. Keep that leg straight out from the body, but hip is rolled forward slightly. Whew, burning. 10 forward. And back. Great job. Now we're going to move into side plank, arm up and down. I like to keep that knee back a little bit so we're stacked. Great, and then reaching underneath, like we forgot something behind us. Get those corset, cinched in oblique muscles. I love them so much. And really keep that core turned on. Great work. Tabletop, we're gonna do cat dog. We're gonna be on our hands and knees and hip width and shoulder width apart. We're doing a serratus push-up, so it's not so much of a big movement. We're just pushing through our shoulders to kind of warm up those muscles, build those stabilizers, which I think help me so much, keep my shoulders healthy in life and during these exercises. Great work. We're gonna tuck the toes underneath. We're gonna lift the knees and stay here for a few breaths. And back down. This one is sneaky hard, those abs turning on. It's just harder than it looks. Those abs are burning. Great work, we're almost there on the last stretch here. Okay, I'm gonna do a couple more of those. Great work. We're gonna finish off with some planks here, up into plank. We're gonna bend that right knee in to the right elbow and the left. Right, and then the left. Ooh, burning. Keep those shoulders over the wrists. Whew, burning. I like to do a couple child's pose just when I get a little too shaky. Plank. Down dog. Stretch it up a little. Stretch it out a little. Find that strength. Keep that strength and we're building that strength. And finisher, we're gonna do some mountain climbers. Bring those knees up. Whew. 10, 9, 8. And we're done. I can feel that burning in the shoulders. Take a few moments to stretch and catch your breath. Whew. And thank your body for being strong and moving today. Oh, you're gonna be sore tonight. I guarantee it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know your thoughts down below on this video if you'd like to see any other kind of Pilates combinations. I'm going to start making a lot more of these videos. I'm going to share a whole video on how I became a Pilates instructor. It's an online course through Neu Pilates. I will leave a link down below on the specific course I took if you're interested in it. Like I said, I will be creating a dedicated video about the course I took, but that will be coming up soon. You guys will be the first that I share it with. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm gonna go relax tonight. As always, don't forget to follow me here on YouTube at hall_ward. Don't forget to like the video and follow me over on Instagram as well. I'm out of breath. At hall_ward. I post all the time over there. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.